The Institut Pasteur du Laos is a national institution established by Prime Ministerial Decree in November 2007. It was created as a result of a long-term collaboration between the Laos Ministry of Health and the Institut Pasteur Paris, with the agreement that Paris will support the institute until 2036, after which full management will be handed over to the Laos authorities. The goal is to ensure sustainability by training a new generation of Lao doctors and scientists to take leadership roles in laboratories and administration. The Institut Pasteur du Laos operates under a mandate from the Lao Ministry of Health to provide research and diagnostics for emerging infectious diseases and vector-borne diseases, training, education and capacity building, and technical assistance to the National Centre for Laboratory and Epidemiology for Epidemic Investigation. The Institut Pasteur du Laos has 4 main laboratories: virology, parasitology, entomology, and vaccine preventable diseases. These are supported by advanced technological platforms, including biosafety level 2 and 3 laboratories, high throughput sequencing, and a bioinformatics platform. The laboratories are critical in national public health efforts, such as monitoring diseases like dengue, monkeypox, and COVID-19, as well as conducting research on microorganisms and insects. In 2023, the Institut Pasteur du Laos continued its work on COVID-19 diagnostics and genetic characterization of SARS-CoV-2 variants. The implementation of next-generation sequencing allowed for early identification of new variants in Laos. The Institut Pasteur du Laos has successfully contributed to pathogen discovery in arthropods and wildlife, including bats. This research has provided valuable insights into the origins of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Building on this success, the Institut Pasteur du Laos launched an ambitious research project focused on emerging viral pathogens in wild animals in Laos PDR. The medical entomology team is investigating the role of various arthropods, such as sandflies and ticks, in transmitting both known and unknown infectious diseases. Several new pathogens have been identified and are undergoing characterization. Additionally, new species of sandflies have been discovered and documented in scientific journals. 2023 saw the official start of the International Science and Technology Research Partnership for Sustainable Development project. This project uses a multi-pronged approach to accelerate malaria and schistosomiasis elimination, as well as liver fluke control in Laos PDR. The Institut Pasteur du Laos employs over 60 people, with a small number of foreign expats responsible for training Lao scientists and as administrative managers. Key projects at the Institut Pasteur du Laos include investigation and response to emerging pathogens of security concern, such as new zoonotic viruses in bats and rodents, and studying the ecological mechanisms of pathogen spillover. Assessing the circulation of new zoonotic viruses in humans and domestic animals using advanced serological and molecular diagnostic tools. Supporting national surveillance of arboviruses, SARS-CoV-2 variants, and monkeypox. Molecular surveillance of avian influenza viruses in live bird markets. Strengthening the country's capacity to respond to emerging respiratory virus outbreaks. Efforts to control and eliminate malaria and neglected parasitic diseases using advanced research techniques, communication tools, and eco-health education. To find out more, follow us on social media, visit our website, or participate in our events. Whether you are interested in supporting our research, learning more about emerging diseases, or contributing to public health initiatives, there are many ways to stay engaged. Together, we can continue advancing scientific discoveries and improving health outcomes in Laos PDR and beyond.